guys, it's me, Skylar Capri, and today I'm going to be showing you some of my top 3 favorite things to do for downtime at swim meets. I know that swim meets last forever. I think the longest one I've been to, lasted 6 or 7 hours, so they are pretty long. So I thought I would share with you my top 3 favorite things to do spending downtime at meets. So these are 3 kind of tangible items, but also it means you have to take into account the warm-up, when you're warming up, when you're actually swimming the races. I know some pools have a cool down pool where your coaches like you to do a cool down, talking with friends, kind of eating, that kind of stuff. So that is going to take up the majority of the time. But here are my top 3 favorite things to do when you are just spending time before your race and you just need to get in the zone. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I like to do is I love to read. The book I'm reading right now is called Tiger Lily. It is by Jodi Lynn Anderson, and it is a spin off of the traditional Neverland story, and so far this is pretty interesting. I'm only on page 68, and there's there's 300 almost pages in here, and this will be put in a book review with the other book I just finished, which was The Crown's Fate. When I finish this, normally I like to do a book update and review after I finish every kind of 2 books so that you guys can kind of see my preference on these, but this is really good. I recommend having a book that you like to read, or also if you're taking your English classes or whatever and you have a book to read, reading is a great way to pass time, especially if you like the book, and it can also help you get some homework done. Next up kind of goes with reading as well, and this is reading magazines. This is, I need to cover this up, but this is a swim magazine, and it is called Splash. And basically in here, it just kind of has a whole bunch of different articles, ads of course, little games to play, that kind of stuff. And it shows coaches and different swimmers. It features different ones, and it's just kind of pretty interesting to read. It's also pretty long. Let me see how many pages we have in here. Those are just ads on the back. There's also cartoons. There's over 60 pages in here, so this is a pretty jam-packed magazine. Again, any magazine, but since this is kind of swim-related, I thought it would be interesting, but really any magazine will be good. But this was just a pretty interesting one because normally swim magazines aren't that popular, or I haven't heard of any since I started getting this in the mail. So I've been really enjoying that, and it's a perfect way to pass downtime at swim meets because it's relating to swim and it's kind of getting you in the zone before you head out for your event. And lastly, we have music. I love listening to music, and I'm just going to show you. And I have a pair of Beats. I got these, I think, a year ago, and I love them. These are the rose gold ones, and these are the Beats. What are these called? Normally it has the name somewhere on here. Or I thought it did. I think these are the Beats Solo 2. But these are wireless, which I love because I'm always getting tangled in the cord. But these are awesome for listening to music. The sound's really clear, they're really pretty, and I love listening to music to kind of get in the zone, block everything out. And I know a lot of people like to listen to kind of rap music, but it kind of all depends which I'm in the mood for. Sometimes I listen to jazz, or sometimes I listen to pop, or sometimes I listen to rap, but that's what I use those for, obviously. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Next up, I will be filming my diving montage, so I am going to dive today. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and will enjoy that video. Bye, guys.